Hey you guys, it's Marianne, and I wanted to give you guys a head up about week 4. So, welcome to week 4. So, let's see what we got going on this week. So, first of all, this be due today. You have a working thesis, and last week I gave you a heads up that you should be doing those annotations. I'm telling you what, otherwise, this paper is going to be difficult, and I'm going to suggest that those annotations are very thorough because you're not going to have anything to say in this paper if you don't analyze those texts as thoroughly as possible. So, anyways, the working thesis is due tonight, and I have a little podcast for that and a handout and the PowerPoint. The annotations of the 3 texts, those need to be turned in. Your rough outline, I'm not asking for just what are you going to put in the introduction? What are your body paragraphs going to be about? And then first draft is going to be due. I think that's due on Wednesday. Let's see, first draft. Yep, Wednesday. So make sure you have a heads up about that. And then there's on the discussion board, there's you get to write a story with different connoted words. So connotation can be an implication of informal or a formal tone and or positive or negative. So depending upon the word, you set the tone for your paper. And then also you have to detect that kind of bias in different papers. I kind of use that connotation. What kind of adjectives do they use? What other options did they have to use a word? And Mike Burr talks about this in his writing as well. What choices, what options did that writer choose? What kind of tone did they choose to provide in that paper that they wrote? So, anyways, working thesis is due tonight. Annotations are due tonight. And then tomorrow is the rough outline. So if you don't mind, just let me comment on your thesis statements by tomorrow morning so that you guys can have sort of an idea if the direction that you're going is a good one. Rough draft is due the 3rd. Again, if you did your annotations, you've got your rough outline, you just have to plug in the content. So those annotations will be really easy to help write the first draft. Commonly misspelled words. This is a podcast about commonly misspelled words, and then see how well you do. That's a quiz. There is no actual quote-unquote assignment for this week. It's the 20-point quiz. And then the discussion board is right here, connotation and persuasion. But make sure you read our textbook first, and then go ahead and the worksheet, and then go ahead. So the 2 columns are this column, and you have to decide, so they're opposite. Is this column of words informal or formal? Or are they implying a positive or negative implication or tone? And then this is going to be the opposite. So is this informal or formal? Or is it positive or negative? So you decide, and then you're going to write a story with all these words, and then you're going to write a story with all these words. And there's a couple more down here. I put these this other assignment in here in case you happen to be an overachiever and want to get this stuff done. Also, I'm going to post up the peer review. I'm going to throw that up here as well so that if you there's actually a few people who have turned in their annotations and their thesis statements. So you guys might be ahead of the curve. And I'll put a peer workshop discussion board up too so you guys can earn points on that. So anyways, gosh, I don't know that I have anything else to say other than I hope you guys have a good week. Please reach out. I'm here to help. And those podcasts regarding this essay are hopefully very valuable, and they're in week 3. So I hope you guys have a great day and chill. Or not chill, but I don't know. Have a great day.